aircraft engines were built in Burlington. The United States completely mobilized after the attack on Pearl Harbor. The Dr. Motor Company built the Rolls-Royce Merlin under license. Here comes our obsession with Jeff Michael to the control. Pete, you know why it has that funny looking thing sticking down under the airplane?
No.
Is that a wheel? Actually, it's a radiator. This aircraft has an air-cooled engine, but in the B-51, it's a liquid-cooled engine, and the radiator is mounted under the belly of the airplane. Here comes George Lancaster and the story about the B-51 radiator. That radiator underneath the aircraft would normally be considered to slow it down, but it actually provides about 5 horsepower due to the expansion of the air going through it as jet effect. Here comes our C-45. The airplane installed yeoman service throughout all theaters of operations as a long-distance aircraft, transporting personnel and pilot materials. C-6, an airplane is running more American combat pilots than about 10,500 of them were built, with about 600 to maybe 1,000 still flying. We talk about the A-26 that'll be coming back around. The A-26 is painted black because of the interdiction missions that it flew during the Korean War. Here comes our T-34. A training aircraft that both the Navy and Air Force, following to the T-6 and the PT-17 Stearman.